Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. So before we start with our analysis for the day, I want to say you today the market is open but not at 9:15. Today is special Muhurat trading session and the market will be open at 1:45 to 2:45. So 1 hour session will be there. There is no 9:15 to 3:30 in the throughout the day like how we have on the normal days. Today is Muhurat special trading and market will work regularly. All the F&O positions will be active. All the equity positions will be active. You can trade, buy, sell, everything you can do. But market will be open only for 1 hour. That is 1:45 to 2:45. So now that we have got it out of the way, let's start with the pre-market analysis. Now let's start with the US market. Now yesterday the Dow Jones gave a fantastic rally and it closed at 515 points positive. Nasdaq closed at 323 points positive and S&P 500 closed at 71 points positive. Now at the time of recording the US 30 is trading at minus 13 points. So flat start for the US market. Let's talk about FIA and DI data. Now continuously from the past 1 week or 2 weeks, the FIA were net buyers and yesterday also FIA bought close to 790 crores and DIA bought close to 2480 crores. I remember the last time around September and October when the market peaked and made all-time high close to 26,200, 300, something like that. Then I remember that on Muhurat trading session also the FIA were net sellers. Right? The market was open just for 1 hour like today will be. Still the FIA sold on that day. I remember that, but let's see what happens today. Now HX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 90 points close to 100 points. If that will happen, then Nifty may open close to 26,000 levels. Asian markets are all on positive is made because the US and China trade is looking very good and people are believing that it can cool off, it can come to a conclusion and though the countries will settle their issues throughout like a good leader. So that's why the Asian markets are all positive, all in green. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Remember we were bullish from 26,100 yesterday. Now Nifty 25,000. Remember we were bullish around 25,100. On yesterday Nifty gave a closing about 25,900. So steep 800 points move we have captured. And I gave you all live with my neck out in front of everyone that I am buying about 25,100. You should do it too. No during the market, no post the market, all in pre-market. And I clearly told you all the dip I will buy and you should do it too. I recommend it to all my viewers, all my subscribers. Now the support is obviously 25,800 and resistance is 26,000. Yesterday we saw some consolidation. It's because of less liquidity plus, the 26,000 higher levels. So it's a good thing that on the higher levels we are consolidating. That's a very positive for the next up move. So now Bank Nifty again made all-time high. I told you that Bank Nifty will do all-time high faster than Nifty. Now closed at 58,000, above close to 58,100. Now support is at 58,000 and resistance now 58,200. And I'm talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty futures levels. So yes, I have given you the important levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Look at SBI. I recommended you SBI around 840, 845. Now it is at 907. Still for 1000 I am bullish on SBI. SBI is heading towards 1000. It could be the stock of the year. So available in futures still looks very bullish. Still looks very strong. Technically and fundamentally looks very strong. All the PSU theme very strong. Paytm again managed to close to 1300. Very strong. Nykaa, Delivery, all these stocks will do very good. You cannot miss these stocks from your portfolio from this Diwali to next Diwali. I hope you would have learned a lot. Remember, the market is not open at 9:15. Market is open at 1:45 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. Just 1 hour today's session will be there. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like tomorrow will be the holiday. So, and from day after tomorrow we'll have a normal session. So yes, I hope you would have learned a lot. I hope you would have taken the notes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next pre-market video. Bye.